In the digital age, opportunities to make money online are abundant. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time online business, this video will reveal the secrets to unlocking your earning potential. Tip 1. Freelancing and remote work. Embrace the freedom of freelancing and remote work. With countless platforms and marketplaces connecting freelancers with clients, you can offer your skills and expertise to a global audience. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistants, the online world is your oyster. Tip number 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. Tap into the power of e-commerce and dropshipping. With online marketplaces and platforms, you can create your own virtual store and sell products to customers around the world. Explore the potential of dropshipping, where you can sell products without holding inventory. The possibilities for online retail are limitless. Tip number 3. Content creation and monetization. Harness your creativity through content creation. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog where you can share your passion and expertise. As your audience grows, explore monetization options like ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Your content can become a lucrative source of income. Tip number 4. Affiliate marketing. Become an affiliate marketer and earn commissions by promoting products and services you believe in. By partnering with companies and using unique referral links, you can earn a percentage of each sale you generate. Choose products that align with your niche and build a loyal following to maximize your earnings. Tip number 5. Online courses and digital products. Share your knowledge and expertise through online courses and digital products. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare provide a platform for you to create and sell courses. Create ebooks, templates, or software that cater to a specific audience. Your expertise can become a valuable asset in the digital marketplace. Tip number 6. Microtasks and online surveys. While not a get-rich-quick scheme, engaging in online surveys and microtasks can provide a steady stream of supplemental income. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Swagbucks, and Clickworker offer opportunities to earn money by completing small tasks or sharing your opinions. It's a convenient way to make some extra cash during your free time. Tip number 7. Build your online business. If you have a unique product or service idea, consider building your online business from the ground up. Utilize social media, search engine optimization, and digital marketing strategies to reach your target audience. With dedication and innovation, your online business has the potential to generate substantial wealth. Remember, success in the online world requires perseverance, continuous learning, and adapting to the ever-evolving landscape. So, seize the opportunities that lie before you, harness the power of the internet, and unlock the riches that await. Embrace the digital revolution and embark on your journey towards online prosperity.